So now in this video, we're going to measure capacitance. One of the first things we need to do is, for this meter, some meters you won't have to move anything, but this one we have to put the black probe where you see capacitance there. So this is not black because when you measure milliamps of current, you leave the black probe there and move the red probe over. We are going to actually measure more than 20 microfarad of capacitance in this, although the first two measurements will be less. So we're going to set it to 200 microfarad or less. And the measurements we're going to take, also you have to hit the power button to turn this meter on. It does not turn automatically when you turn the dial. Some do. And the meter I actually normally use does, but since non-auto ranging meters are more complex, I figured I would use that in this video since it's a simple topic we're going to cover. So in any case, there you can see this is a 10 microfarad capacitor. That's what it is labeled as, but you can see we got looks like about 12.5 microfarad approximately. So the measurement's probably more accurate than the label. Capacitors have tolerance like resistors. I think they're normally like 20% higher or 10% lower than the rated value, and this is about 20% higher right there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put them in parallel. So I'm going to take the one capacitor, hopefully you can see the negative side down there, and I'm just going to wire it exactly the same right there. This is a bad spot right there, and the metal got all bent out of shape. So in any case, there you can see now they are in the two same rows. When capacitors are in parallel like this, parallel is when one side of the component is connected to the other side of another component right there, both sides connected to the same spot, I should say. So in any case, there you can see we have twice the capacitance. The capacitance simply added up. Now when it comes to voltage, these are 50 volt capacitors. So we could charge the two of them to 50 volts, or if they were by themselves to 50 volts, doesn't matter. If one of them had a lower voltage that it could be charged to than the other one, you would have to keep the voltage down to that lower capacitor's limit. So that's just something to be aware of. Not a big issue. You just can't use more voltage than what the lowest one is rated for, and you're safe. So now we are going to turn the meter off because we're done. I guess you got to hold down a little bit. There we go. And if you accidentally measure a voltage when you have it set to capacitance, you might damage it. So we're going to put the black probe back to COM and set it to measure 1,000 volts. So if I plug it in and measure a voltage, it's definitely going to be a lot less than 1,000. We won't damage the meter in any way. So in any case, this is a short video series. Hope you enjoyed. That's it. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.